Fashion, it's a powerful tool. It can boost your confidence and express your personality. But let's be real, who has time for complicated routines every day? That's where fashion hacks come in. These simple tricks can transform your style, save you time, and make you feel amazing every single day. This isn't about following strict rules. It's about finding what works for you. It's about making fashion fun and easy. Get ready to unlock your style potential with these daily fashion hacks. You'll be surprised how small changes can make a big difference. Think of these hacks as your secret weapons. They're here to simplify your routine. They're here to help you look and feel your best. Are you ready to take your style to the next level? Let's dive in. Mornings can be chaotic. Who has time to stress over outfits? Planning your outfit the night before is a game changer. It saves you precious time. It lets you start your day with a sense of calm. Pick out your clothes, shoes, and accessories. Lay them out or hang them up. This eliminates the guesswork. It prevents those last-minute fashion emergencies. You'll be amazed how much smoother your mornings become. This hack also gives you a chance to be more creative. You can experiment with different combinations. You can try out new styles without feeling rushed. It's like having your own personal styling session every evening. Imagine waking up knowing exactly what you're going to wear. It's a great feeling. It sets the tone for a positive and productive day. Give it a try and see the difference it makes. Accessories are your secret weapon. They can elevate any outfit. They can add personality and flair. A simple necklace, a statement belt, or a colorful scarf can transform your look. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different earrings, bracelets, and rings. Mix and match textures and colors. You'll be surprised how accessories can breathe new life into your wardrobe staples. Accessories can also help you transition your outfits from day to night. A sparkly necklace can dress up a simple top for an evening out. A stylish hat can add a touch of chic to your daytime look. Remember, accessories are an extension of your personality. Have fun with them. Express yourself through your choices. The right accessories can make you feel confident and stylish. A capsule wardrobe is a curated collection of essential pieces. These pieces can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. It simplifies your wardrobe. It makes getting dressed a breeze. Start by choosing timeless, versatile pieces. Think neutral colors, classic cuts, and high-quality fabrics. A white t-shirt, a black blazer, a pair of well-fitting jeans. These are the building blocks of your capsule wardrobe. Once you have your core pieces, you can add in seasonal items and trendy pieces. This keeps your wardrobe fresh and exciting. You'll be able to create countless outfits with a limited number of items. A capsule wardrobe is not about deprivation. It's about owning pieces you love and wear frequently. It's about making conscious choices about your clothing. It's about simplifying your life and maximizing your style. Section 5. Hack 4. Confidence is your best accessory. Confidence, it's the key to rocking any outfit. It's about feeling good in your own skin and owning your style choices. When you feel confident, you radiate beauty and charm. Stand tall, smile, and make eye contact. These simple actions can boost your confidence instantly. Remember, your attitude is just as important as your outfit. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles. Step outside your comfort zone, try something new. You might discover a new favorite look that makes you feel amazing. Confidence is contagious. When you believe in yourself, others believe in you too. So put on your favorite outfit, hold your head high, and shine. Section 6. Hack 5. Embrace your personal style. Fashion is a form of self-expression. It's about showcasing your unique personality. Don't be afraid to embrace your own style, and don't try to be someone you're not. What do you love to wear? What makes you feel good? What reflects your interests and passions? These are the questions to ask yourself when defining your personal style. Look for inspiration everywhere. Pay attention to what catches your eye. Browse magazines, follow fashion bloggers, and create mood boards. Experiment with different styles until you find what resonates with you. Remember, your personal style is a journey, not a destination. It evolves as you grow and change. Have fun with it. Explore different options and express yourself through your clothing choices. Section 7. Hack 6. The importance of fit. The fit of your clothes can make or break your outfit. Well-fitting clothes flatter your figure and make you look and feel your best. Pay attention to how your clothes fit. Don't settle for anything less than perfect. Don't be afraid to get your clothes tailored. A tailor can make small adjustments that make a big difference. They can ensure your clothes fit you perfectly. It's a worthwhile investment. When trying on clothes, move around, sit down, and bend over. Make sure the clothes are comfortable and allow you to move freely. The right fit should enhance your body, not restrict it. Remember, fit is everything. It's worth taking the time to find clothes that fit you well. It will make a world of difference in how you look and feel. Hack 7. Experiment with colors and patterns. Don't be afraid to play with colors and patterns. They can add visual interest to your outfits, brighten your day, and make you stand out from the crowd. Start by incorporating small pops of color into your wardrobe. A bright scarf, a colorful handbag, or a pair of patterned shoes can make a statement. Gradually, introduce more colors and patterns as you become more comfortable. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns. Stripes and florals, polka dots and plaids, the possibilities are endless. Just make sure the patterns complement each other and don't clash. Remember, fashion is about having fun. Don't take it too seriously. Experiment with different colors and patterns until you find what you love. Hack 8. Pay attention to details. Details matter. They can elevate your outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. Pay attention to the small things like the buttons on your shirt, the stitching on your jeans, and the lining of your jacket. Choose clothes with interesting details. Look for unique buttons, embellishments, and textures. These details add a touch of personality and sophistication to your look. Pay attention to your grooming as well. Make sure your hair is styled, your nails are manicured, and your shoes are clean. These small details can make a big difference in your overall appearance. Remember, it's the little things that count. Paying attention to details shows that you care about your appearance. It demonstrates your attention to style. Hack 9. Shop smart, not impulsively. Impulse purchases can be tempting, but they often lead to a closet full of clothes you never wear. Before you buy anything, ask yourself if you really need it. Will you wear it multiple times? Does it fit into your wardrobe? Create a shopping list before you go shopping. This will help you stay focused and avoid impulse buys. Stick to your list and only buy items that you truly love and need. Don't be afraid to try things on. Make sure the clothes fit well and flatter your figure. Don't buy anything that you're not completely happy with. Remember, shopping smart is about making conscious choices. It's about investing in pieces that you'll love and wear for years to come. It's about building a wardrobe that reflects your personal style and makes you feel confident every day. Conclusion: elevate your everyday style. These fashion hacks are your tools for success. They can transform your daily routine. They can make you feel confident and stylish every day. Remember, fashion is personal. It's about finding what works for you. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try these hacks and see what a difference they make. You'll be surprised how easy it is to elevate your everyday style. Now it's your turn. What are your favorite fashion hacks? Share your tips and tricks in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to look and feel our best.